India has a lot of credit cards to choose from. It's not as easy as it sounds to find the right one for you. So I, Abhinav Sehgal from Freedom App Money channel, have come out with my list of the top 5 credit cards in India in 2023. First off, let's talk about the basics and understand credit cards. They are basically plastic cards that allow you to borrow money from your bank and pay it back over time. Some people use them for convenience. They can use them like cash at any time and they don't have to worry about paying interest on their purchases. Others prefer them because they offer more flexibility in terms of spending limits and fees than debit cards do. Now, first things first, let's talk about the factors you should consider before opting a credit card. When you are ready to apply for the best credit card in India, there are a few factors that you will want to take into consideration. So the first factor that you should take into consideration is credit score. First, the credit score requirements will vary depending on the type of card you are looking for. If you are looking for a card specifically for travel and shopping, the higher the better. But if you don't have much of a history of using credit cards, it might be wise to start with the ones that's easier to qualify for. Second, fees can quickly add up, especially if you tend to carry a balance from month to month, which is a common with credit cards like this. A high interest rate can also make it more difficult to pay off your balance each month, so be sure to check the fees associated with your chosen card. Some cards offer cashback rewards or other perks that come with annual fee or interest rate. Others charge an annual fees even if there are no other fees or interest rate attached to the account itself. You'll need to figure out what works best for you before signing up. Third, interest rates are typically higher, so make sure that's an important factor when choosing your card. The interest rate you'll pay on your new credit card will depend on how long you've been using it and where you live. Most cards offer an introductory period when there are no fees or interest charges for your first few months of use, but then this changes into a regular APR, annual percentage rate. These rates vary from 0% up to 27% depending on how long you have the account and where you live. Now let's talk about the features you have to watch out before applying for a credit card. Number 1, how you plan to use the card. Before applying for a credit card in India, you should first consider how you plan to use it. A credit card is a great way to build your credit history and establish yourself as an income earner. You can use a credit card for any purpose, but you should be aware of its limits before applying. Number 2, annual percentage rate, also known as APRs. Another important factor is annual percentage rates. These are the interest rates charged by banks and other financial institutions on loans or credit cards. The rate will vary depending on many factors, including how much money you want to borrow, how long will it take for you to repay this amount, and how reliable your income is at any given time. For example, if there are other expenses such as rent or student loans that need paying every month. Number 3, credit limit. If you don't plan on using the money on the card regularly, then there's no need to worry about having a high credit limit. But if you do plan on making regular purchases with it, then your credit limit must be large enough to accommodate these purchases without jeopardizing your ability to pay off the balance in full each month. Number 4, rewards. When considering reward programs, make sure that they are worth the cost. Some cards offer cashback or other perks, but those can be difficult to redeem and may not be worth the trouble if you're just looking for extra cashback on your purchases. Number 5, penalties. You should look into penalties for missing a payment. While some credit cards have a grace period before paying a charge, others have a higher fees for any late payment. Before applying for a credit card, it is important to know what your card will charge you in case of missed payments. Alright guys, so let's start with my list of the top 5 credit cards in India in 2023. On number 1, we have IndusInd Bank Legend credit card. If you are looking for a credit card with multiple benefits and a best-in-class rewards program, then IndusInd Bank's Legend credit card is the card for you. Legend credit card offers exclusive offers on top brands and you save up to Rs 25,000 866 as rewards and additional 2400 savings on a fuel surcharge waiver. The card comes with zero joining fees and zero annual fees. Let's talk about the special features that this card has to offer. Zero joining fee and zero annual fee. You can earn 1 reward point for every 100 rupees spent on weekdays and 2 reward points on weekends. Reward points never expire and can be converted to cash to pay outstanding dues. You also get access to 600 plus airport lounges worldwide. Let's talk about the advantages. It has relaxed eligibility criteria with a minimum income requirement of rupees 20,000. A waiver on fuel surcharge across petrol pumps across India is also something that you get. On number 2, we have Axis Bank Ace Credit Card. This best credit card offers you premium benefits while spending on multiple categories of food and shopping brands. The card provides a minimum joining fees of Rs 499 with a maximum cashback and unlimited upper limit. It is the best credit card for basic expenses and complimentary benefits. Let's talk about the special features of this card. It offers 5% cashback on DTH and mobile recharge. It also offers 2% cashback on food orders on Zomato and Ola bookings. Annual fee of this card is Rs 499. Now, why we have to choose this card? Well, it provides maximum reward redemption with no upper limit. The renewal fees is waived according to the earned reward points. On number 3, we have the HDFC Diners Club Black Credit Card. It is the best credit card in India, the super premium category of credit cards. The card provides a wide range of benefits in the category of shopping, travel, dining, golf courses, etc. It offers elite advantages with maximum rewards and cashback redemption. In addition, it has advanced accessibility for national and international usage. Talking about the special features of this card, well, it offers a high reward point rate of 33.33%, meaning that you get 5 reward points on every purchase of Rs 150. It offers conversions of reward points into smart vouchers and intelligent buys in the items under the HDFC catalog. Talking about the annual fees, well, you have to pay around Rs 10,000. Now, why you can choose this card? Well, it provides the annual membership of Forbes, Zomato Gold, Club Marriott and Amazon Prime. It also offers premium benefits on HDFC Diners Club with hotels and flight tickets bookings. On number 4, we have Amazon Pay ICICI Credit Card. Amazon Pay ICICI Card is one of India's most popular and top credit cards for online shopping and e-commerce businesses. It offers a range of elite features users can avail of with lifetime benefits. It gained high popularity in India by providing 1% cashback on every purchase in any category. The special features of this card are: it provides 5% of extra cashback for Amazon members. It offers 15% of dining benefits to partner restaurants. The annual fees of this card is 0 rupees. Now, why you can choose this card? Well, it offers 3% cashback to non-Prime members. It provides a definite benefit to ICICI Culinary Treat program. On number 5, we have HSBC Cashback Credit Card. It is one of the top rated cards with plenty of benefits on online purchases with interest-free credit periods and foreign currency transactions. In addition, it is the best credit card offering advanced access to airport lounges with a wide range of benefits considering reward points and partner brands. The special features of this card are that it provides welcome vouchers for Amazon, Zomato and Myntra on the first spend of Rs 1,000 in 30 days. It also offers a 50% discount on the first Google Pay transaction. The annual fees of this card is Rs 750. Now, why do you have to choose this card? Well, you have your own reason. It provides 1.5% cashback on every purchase. It offers complimentary access to airport lounges as well. Well, the main reason to have a credit card these days is that you can build a good credit history. You can also get loans at a favorable time if your credit history is good. As a new card holder, you must ensure that the credit card has a good or excellent credit score requirement. Credit scores are indicative of the likelihood of somebody being able to repay their debts. A card with an excellent credit score requirement can be used by consumers with very high scores who do not require any additional safeguards. If you want to learn more about credit score, then there is a detailed course on Freedom app, so you can check it out right now. Apart from this, there are more than 1,000 courses on Freedom app on personal finance, business and farming. Download Freedom app right now, which is India's #1 livelihood platform. This is Abhinav Sehgal signing off. I shall see you all in the next video.